This video, we're going to be talking about how to fix PS5 rest mode not working. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your settings, system, power savings feature, and check for rest mode. If it is turned off, then you want to simply go ahead and turn it all on. The second thing you want to do is simply go to settings, system software, and update it to the latest version. If that is not the case, you want to go to settings, system, power savings, and set a timer. Finally, you want to go ahead and try to clear system cache by simply turning off your PS5 completely, unplugging the power cord, and then waiting for 60 seconds. You can also go ahead and open safe mode and then rebuild database, or even go ahead and enable HDMI device link in your settings, system, HDMI, turn off enable HDMI device link. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and check for overheating. Make sure that it is not on a cloth that your PS5 is sitting on. Then you want to simply go to settings, system software, and restore default settings. If the issue persists, then simply contact PlayStation support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.